Hello everyone, welcome once again to another tutorial of Power BI Report Server. In the previous example, we studied about Report Server Configuration Manager, how to install Power BI Report Server, how to configure it, and how to run it and see it on any browser on this URL. Okay. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about how to download the Microsoft Power BI desktop application that is optimized for Power BI report server. Power BI desktops helps you empower others with timely critical insights anytime anywhere that you already know. But this version of Power BI desktop is optimized for use with Power BI report server, and in bracket they have written May 2024. So this is the latest version as of December 2024. And here, this Power BI desktop may seem, as it is to you, like this is just looking like what Power BI regular desktop looks, but this is optimized for Power BI report server. Now let's get started how to install this. So this is Power BI desktop for report server setup by Slidescope. First, search for Power BI desktop for report server. You will get the first link. Obviously, I will share this link with you. And then you will get to the Microsoft's download page from where you can click download. When you will click download, a pop-up may appear with these two options. So we are selecting the 446.5 MB option. In your case, when you are doing the same thing, you may have a different version, but the setup will remain the same. Here, just check this and click download, and your download will start here. Once your download is finished and you have installed the applications, you will see in your desktop there will be two icons. When only Power BI desktop is installed, that we explained earlier when we were teaching Power BI. So we have a complete series of Power BI with more than 20 videos there. So there we explained how to install and configure Power BI desktop. When you will install Power BI desktop, that is for report server, optimized for report server, you will see these two icons. So in this icon, RS is written, report server. If your Power BI desktop application is running at the time of this installation process, you have to close your Power BI desktop and then retry. And then the Power BI desktop May 24 for report server will begin. Select your language, click next, administrative privilege pop-up will appear. Just click yes here, click next. Then your terms and conditions will come. Read them carefully. If you agree, then accept the license agreement. Click next and create a desktop icon. When you will create a desktop icon, you will see them on your desktop. From there, you can launch any one of them. If you have to just do the regular work, you can launch Power BI desktop. If you have to publish it to Power BI server that you have just installed, so you can open the Power BI desktop for report server. After this, installation will begin. It took me 5 to 7 minutes, and then you can launch Power BI desktop. Once you will launch Power BI desktop, so it will appear like this. In this Power BI desktop, we can connect with any data set and start analyzing it. So we will go to get data. From here, we will go to Excel worksheet, select financial sample. I will share this financial sample data set with you. So in this financial sample data set, we will connect the financial sheet where we have segment, country, product name. So this is the sales or financial data for these products which are sold in different countries to different segments, and their sales value, cost of goods sold, profit, everything is there. We will simply load this and you will see your report. Now the next question is, how can we publish? Obviously when you will publish, it will ask you to make save changes and everything. So we will save it as FS analysis for RS so that we remember. We already have other Power BI files also. So this will be for report server. We will save this. Let's create a very basic graph. Obviously, it will ask for your login, but let's create a very basic graph like segment wise sales. So here in legend we will put segment, and in value we will put sales. So now we can see that is it is working regularly. We will save it once again by pressing Ctrl S. Now in the next part of this video series you will learn how to publish this report to the Power BI report server. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.